So this is question 9, part C from winter 2017, variant 1. Okay? So this is October, November 2017, paper 4, variant 1, question number 9, part C. This is question number 9, part C. Okay? So we have been asked here, it's like the end of a probability question, but I don't think it has any relation to the original question. It says another bag contains 2 green counters. So you have 2 green counters and 3 pink counters. Okay? Teresa chooses 3 counters at random without replacement. Find the probability that she chooses more pink counters than green counters. So first of all, you've got 5 counters altogether, right? And she's picking them without replacement. So if she picks more pink counters than green counters, let's look at all the different scenarios for that to take place. That means the first pick was a pink, the second pick was a pink, and the third pick was a pink. Okay? In that case, the probability of that particular outcome would be 3 out of 5 times without replacement. So there's 1 less counter and there's 1 less pink counter. So 2 out of 4. And again, there's 1 less counter altogether and there's 1 less pink counter. So that will give you the probability, okay, of picking all 3 pinks. That's one outcome which satisfies the fact that she's got more pink than green. Now, the rest of the outcomes all will be that she picked 2 pinks and 1 green. Okay? So how many ways can that take place? You can have a pink and a pink and a green. Or you can have a pink and a green and a pink. Right? Or you can have a green and a pink and a pink. Right? Those are the ways of getting more pinks than greens. Okay? So altogether, here you have, let's take the probability of one of them and you'll realize that they'll be all the same. If you have one of them, you have pink, which is 3 out of 5. Another pink, which is 2 out of 4. And then a green. Okay, how many greens are there? There's still 2 greens, but there's now 3 counters only left, right? Okay, so if you think about it, the next 2 will also give you the same probabilities. Because you're going to have, I'll just write it out for you to be sure. So you've got 3 out of 5, pink. Then for a green, you've got 2 out of 4. And then for another pink, there's still 2 pinks left. You've got 2 out of 3. See, it gives exactly the same numbers. Similarly, if you do green, pink, pink, you'll have 2 out of 5 times, for pink, you've got 3 out of 4 times 2 out of 3. So basically, if you multiply the numerators, you're going to have 3 times 2 times 2, 3 times 2 times 2, 2 times 3 times same thing, and same with the denominators. So what we could actually do for this, instead of multiplying them out separately and adding them together, we can say then that's equal to 3 times one of them. So 3 times 3/5 times 2 quarters times 2 thirds. Okay, so let's just work these out. That cancels with that. Okay, that cancels with that, gives you 2. That's 1 over 10, right? 1 over 10. And here, 3 cancels with the 3. The 4 cancels with these 2. So you got 3 over 5. So you've got to add these 2 different outcomes together. So you have 1/10 plus 3/5, which is 1/10 plus 6 over 10, which gives you 7 over 10. And there's your answer. Understood?